My name's Joel Erickson. I'm the feeder here at Mahr Brothers. I've been doing this for about 10 years, and I can't tell you exactly how many cows we have, but it's a lot. We're using the Cloverdale 1100 with some extension on top. The reason we were using this one is the one we had, we actually ran 1 billion pounds of feed through it. Because of the durability, we decided to stay with the mixer we have. For us, the ability to feed off of both sides, for me, is really important because I can drive down one and feed one side and then back out and feed the other side. So it's quicker sometimes. The nice thing about Cloverdale is they are close enough where if something happens, we can go right to the factory, right where they're put together, and get parts. I've used several other mixers in my lifetime before I came here. In my experience, this is the toughest mixer out there. For durability and longevity, you can't go wrong.